Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello dear students, how are you today? I hope you always be fine. The time flies so fast. So now we are going to learn about the last material in the session 8. It is about the reinforcements on thesis statement and component in argumentative essay. Our general and special learning outcomes are 1. After participate in tuton, students are expected to have the ability to write argumentative essays at an advanced levels. And then second, mentioning thesis sentence based on a given topic. And the third, developing thesis statement into argumentative essays. Our key learning resource informations or modules is come from Universitas Terbuka Kernedy Writing for 2015 and also Francis Hall Nancy 5 Wood Writing about argumentative essays. Reinforcement on thesis statement and component in argumentative essays has some components. Those are introductions, body, and so conclusions. Those are our material to be discussed today. Don't forget to active in participate discussion aids. Thank you. Good luck. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.